just a quick update on the making this tool. I've been really happy with the results. I actually decided I'd just have a test piece and do some turning for my own amusement. This piece of eucalyptus is quite hard, quite chippy, but I've been using this as the hollowing tool, and I have to say I've been more than happy with the way it's worked out. The handle works well, it's good length, I like the stop, I like the way it's tapered away. The small cutter means that you're only taking small bites, and the strengthened bar hopefully will be up to dealing with it all. I think the one thing that's really impressed me though is actually the cutting. If you look at the turning, I was able to keep the centre stub in for quite a while, and I'm going to be able to go deeper, and I can actually get to all sides of the cut without actually having to change the angle of the cutter much, which you have to say, if you compared it to using a standard bowl gouge, which is probably what I would choose to use at the moment, you have to keep moving around, and I can't. I'm sort of very limited. I'll be hard pushed to get to the sidewalls with this stud and the tailstock still in place. So I think you can see instantly the benefit of this kind of hollowing tool. It just gives you freedom of use that I think really adds to what I can do in terms of hollowing, which is what I was after. We'll see how it wears over time, but I've got no reason to believe it's going to be anything but useful. So that said, let's actually show some turning. There is something pretty magical about sort of setting out to make something, imagining what you want it to be, and then actually getting it through to completion. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. It does what I want it to, it behaves like I want it to. So if you've never tried making your own tools, maybe now's the time to give it a go. Make something that does what you want it to do, and enjoy the process. See you in the next video.